Welcome students. Today we are going to start a new chapter in commerce, that is function of management and coordination. Okay? Function of management and coordination. So let's start. Students, before understanding the function of management, let's talk about its meaning. What is the meaning of management? Okay, what is the meaning of management? Basically, management is the action of getting people together. Basically, management is the action getting people together to accomplish desired goal and objective using available resources efficiently and effectively. Management is the action getting people together to accomplish desired goals and objectives using available resources efficiently and effectively. In simple words, management is the coordination and administration of tasks to achieve a goal. Such administration activities coordinating the effort of staff to accomplish these objectives through the application of available resources. Okay. Now we will talk about the function of the management. What are the function of the management? Okay. Function of management. If we talk about function of management, there are two categories: managerial function and operative functions. Okay, managerial function and operative functions. Managerial function basically are the function that are common to all enterprises, can be called universal, because no matter what type of the business is, these function is equally applicable in all organizations. These are the managerial function, that is planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. These function applicable to all type of business is equally applicable. Okay. Now we will talk about operative function. Okay. On the other hand, if we talk about operative function of the management, then they are different in different type of business, which are not same unlike the managerial function. Okay. These functions are production, marketing, purchasing, financing and personals. Okay. Now managerial function. uh, Now classification of managerial function. Managerial functions classified in different ways by various experts according to Kuntas O'Donnell, classifying a function of the managerial management function into five types. Five functions. That is planning. First one is planning, organizing, stopping, directing, and controlling. These are the five plans according to Kuntas O'Donnell. Okay. Now let us discuss one by one in detail. Okay. First of all, we talk about planning. Planning. Planning is the most basic function. Planning is the most basic function of the management. It involves thinking before doing it or looking ahead. It is concerned with the accepting, problems and developing their solutions. Okay, so planning is a future course action decided in advance. Okay, planning is a future course action decided in advance means what deciding in advance, what deciding in advance, what to do and how to do and who has to do, when to do and where to do. What is the what they are deciding in advance, what to do, how to do, who has to do, when to do and where to do. Okay, in other hand you can say planning is the bridge, you can say planning is the bridge the gap from where we are to where want to be in future. Okay, planning is basically is the bridge the gap from where we are now to where we want in future. Okay, this is the first planning. Okay, now let's move on the next functions of the management. uh, start organizing. Next function is organizing. Let's start with organizing. So first of all let us see the meaning of organizing. Means what is organizing. Okay, so once the plan is formulated, a network of authority responsible relationship is developed through which managers can implement the plan. Such framework is called organizational structure, and the process of developing it is known as organizing. Okay, so basically in organizing we talk about how to implement what we had planned in planning function. Basically in organizing we talk about how to implement what we had planned in the uh, planning function. Okay, and to determine this thing, that which person will perfect with what task. Accordingly the job should be classified. Accordingly the job should be classified, he should be assigned for the job. Okay, who will order, who will do what work, who will order to whom, who will working for whom, who will subordinate, who will the superior, and all things determined in organization, in organizing. Okay, so to see all the working relations, whose duty is, whose responsibility is there, all this is what it is and will be decided in organization, so that maximum utilization of the organization resources can be done, can be utilized, and its objective can be accomplished, its goal can be achieved. Okay, so basically in organization, in organizing we talk about how to implement what we had planned in the planning function, so that maximum utilization of the organization resources can be achieved, can be done, and its objective can be uh, accomplished, its goal can be achieved. Okay, okay, now next function next stopping and directing and controlling in next videos. Okay.